I've got a very big box. Oh, my glasses are over there. So let's see, it's quite taped down. I would think that it should, oh, have some plastic. Oh. And there it is. You would think it should have plastic here, but it doesn't. Oh, this is the order. Okay, so here it is. It's the Jeep or pickup truck in pink. I already got the red one from the Sweet Orchard Farm, and this is the surf thingy, and you get a Barbie with it as well. I can't remember for the last time if it had plastic here. Maybe the Sweet Orchard Farm didn't have that either. I can't remember. I should check in my previous videos. Okay, so let's see. Let's first start with. It's Camping Fun. I think it's called. So let's see if we can get her. Let's start with. Okay, there she is. I need to make some space because it's a huge box. Okay, so here is Barbie. The Sweet Orchard Farm Barbie has high-heeled feet. She has flat feet with pink little shoes, very light blonde hair, and a gray t-shirt, and her hair is arms go out. I should brush and look, and there's a crease from the packaging. Oh, it velcros here in the back with a nice camping print and some jeans like shorts, and the regular Barbie. Oh, okay. Oh, it looked like it was a little bit glued down, but now she moves. And oh, she's shedding a bit as well. Let's see how. Okay, oh, the hair is okay rooted. It's not very full, but it's not as thin as the wheelchair fashionista which I recently got. Although I think it's just about. And she's got the hair to the side. The hair is not as soft as the wheelchair Barbie, but well, maybe just because I need to comb it and wash it. And oh, she does have in her leg, there's a hole. So that's, yeah, that's a pity. Oh, okay, maybe I will rebody her anyway. It was mostly because of the truck. And there's this nice background, which you can also do like this, and then you have some kind of diorama thing. Okay, I will put her here. Let's go on with the truck. Okay, there it is. Oh, I'll put the box here. Should wear my glasses. there she is with the pink truck and a canoe. Oh, that's all stuck. I will first get the. Well, yeah, okay. Yes, there it is. Okay, so there is the truck, and oh, I don't know what this is. In the other car, you can with this one as well. You can move the seat backwards and forwards, not individually, only in the total, or in the whole. Maybe I should take out the other one. The other one has a different interior. This is all black with a little screen and a steering wheel, of course, but because it's so black you can hardly see it. Okay. Okay, so this is the truck, and I know that this opens, which is nice. And I think these they they already paste these ones, but you always have to put this yourself, the stickers, and of course the mirrors you have to put on yourself as well. This is the canoe. I like the backdrop, so I'm going to try if I can keep it. I probably have to tear it because it's taped down. This is the canoe, and I already noticed that in the canoe there are the mirrors and probably and some stickers for the headlights and stuff. They're here, and these are the mirrors. Okay, I'll put the car a bit out of the way. This will hold the canoe in place, and then this is the canoe. Oh look, it's you can take it out, and then you can also open it to put Barbie in. Okay, that's quite nice. Let's first see if I can try to maybe I should I think I have to it should go in here. Wait, let me just before I break things. There's a little booklet. Let's see what it says, how to put the thing on. Yeah, it does work how I thought it would work, but probably I have to take the canoe out first. How do you take the canoe out? Okay. Maybe you should do this and then you can take it out. I don't know. Oh wait, yes. You can pull these things out. And yeah, okay. And then you can take it. Oh, okay. That's the pedal. Oh, look, it has got wheels, so you can actually. And these ones, so you have to pull these out. Okay, okay. Well, let's see. Because this you have to push in here, and then of course here, which goes quite difficult. So I know I did wrong. I don't know why, but apparently you have to. It was put together wrong. So actually you have I took this one off and then switch it around. Let's see if it does work now. And it works now. Okay, so that's what it. I'm still doing it wrong. Oh, and then you have to click it in here. Yes, and then you have to put the bolts on your roof like this. Okay, and of course you can fold it down. If you pull it out, then you can fold the boat down like this, and then you can lock it. Oh, you can't see it, but then it's in here. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, well, that took a while to. Oh wait, okay, I can show you. That took a while to figure out. Look, then you can put it like this, click it in here, and then it's still a little bit, I don't know, crooked. Well, yeah, it is crooked, but okay. I don't know what happened with this thing. Maybe somebody brought it back, or I don't know. Overall, it does look pretty good. So this is her. This is her life vest. Wait, like this. Oh, you can open it like this, and then she can. Oh. Barbie has got a little bit of a problem with her head. Okay, there it goes. Maybe she. Oh, you know, she can keep her t-shirt on. Well, according to the picture. Now she's wearing her life vest, and now she can go in the boat. So you open it like this. No, it's a very tight fit. Okay, there she is. Very tight fit in the boat. I would have thought that she could sit up a little bit straighter, but she can't. Where is her pedal? Oh, I dropped it. Okay, and there she is with her pedal, which doesn't really want to stay on her hands somehow. Okay, now it does. Okay, so then she can go pedal along, but she's sitting quite reclined, which I find a bit odd. Normally they can do better. Okay, and you can, of course, you can put the pedal in here in these things. Okay, well, there goes Barbie. Then we've got a puppy. Also tapes. Oh, lots of tape. A very cute puppy. I already got one like him, I think. But he's cute and you can take the frisbee out. Well, at least I think it's a frisbee. I'm not sure. But it looks like a frisbee. It's a cute little dog. And then we've got this bottle with the Barbie logo as a thing that's attached to it. I don't know actually, but that's nice as well. Okay, designed to, oh, it's difficult to see, but there's some kind of a thing under here, so you can put a trailer on it or something. And then of course you have the front, and I still have to put the mirrors on. I will compare it with the red one I have, but it's probably all the same. Ah, here, let's see. Okay. I don't know, where is this? I've got a round. Oh, that goes on the boat. This round thing. Okay. So, and here she is in the truck. As you can see, the truck is huge because she can wear a very high hat, and she still has room, plenty of room above her head. But there she is, driving around in her pickup with her canoe. Okay, it was kind of a battle to get this thing installed because it was wrongly assembled somehow, so I had to pick it apart. But still, it's a nice truck. I will compare it with my other one now. Let's see. So this is the red one. It doesn't really look very red to me. This is the Sweet Orchard Farm, which you can see on the rackings here. Oh, and I've got her in the back. But as you can see, this is gray, and the barista and his boyfriend, the latest fashionista, are going on a trip. And then we've got, look, now you can clearly see the difference. This is the pink one, which is has a black inside of the thing, so that's why it made it so hard to see for me. Still, they are exactly the same. The difference is only that this one has gray on the bottom, this one has black. Oh wait, and you can see that this thing is still on. You can take that off. I don't know why I kept that on. And this one also has this thing, so you can pull something. The other one has it as well, but it's black, so you cannot see it. So these two boyfriends are going to the farm, and I put the BMR because he's got higher hair. I put it in here, so you can see he's got plenty of hair, room for his hair. Barbie is not in the car at the moment because she has got a hole in her leg here. This is the Barbie, well, the head of the Barbie that came with the red truck, the Sweet Orchard Farm Barbie, and I rebodied her, so she's now on a WWE body. The outfit is the same, only the shoes are not, because WWE have bigger feet. And then I found this one. It's from a calendar, and she's got the high-heeled feet, and I tried to experiment on her hair by curling it, and well, it didn't really go well. So yeah, maybe I will rebody her, so put her face on this body with the high heels, and I think they're all the same mold. Even she, with their eyes painted differently, is I think the same mold. And that brings me to this, this new fashionista, because I think in the Made to Move body, I think she is, well, she's not really new, by the way. I think this is, yes, also the same mold. And what I feel is, look, the hair is so thinly rooted, and I had it with this doll as well. Now it's okay, but if you very thinly rooted, and she's not very thinly, but because her, well, also, but because her hair is so flat, you don't really notice it like this, but also it's pretty thin. So I think it's something with the head mold. I think, I'm not sure, I don't know. But in this one, it's okay. See, it doesn't really show, but I think that for her, it does show. And she's also very white hair, and it look you can see it shows all also. So yeah, I'm not really fond of this routine. So and these of course have the same color. It's even. Oh no, she has longer hair, and her hair is softer. Yeah, this one more somehow with the very light hair, platina blonde, more than this. So I might swap their heads, but I'm not sure. Maybe I don't really collect the Barbies anyway. I mostly collect the guys. But yeah. Okay, but she does fit in the car. Oh, WE body in the car because she has these arms which can actually hold the steering wheel, and the other ones can't. So it's actually very dangerous to drive without holding the steering wheel. There we go. The material is quite soft of the Jeep, so it won't break. Well, at least not very easily. So that's good for children. Of course, I don't really play with it. I just showcase it. Oh, okay. Let's just put her seatbelt on. Oh, actually, she's supposed to be in the red truck, but okay. Okay, so butch as she is, she can drive the car like this and then still hold, well, no, she's not holding it, but she can still hold the steering wheel. And her boyfriend is panicking besides her because she's only got one hand on the wheel. And then, of course, you can, of course, you can also tighten this, I think, because now it's very loose. If you want to, look, now they're very much front of the car, and now they're not. So yeah. Okay, thank you for watching.